sa simula pa lang ng conceptualization ng Can't Buy Me Love, meron talaga na nakaplata talaga kami for a sum-up ng kwento ng Snoop at ng Irene. It was formulated from the start.
Siyempre, pag masyado kang babad sa songmed, so mapapansin mo na parang sumasabay doon sa Don Bell yung snoring. Tapos, lagi pa siyang sinasuggest sa Netflix. So, originally ba, Direk, Sir Henry, hanggang doon lang ba yung role nung snoring? Pero, parang habang papalaon, dumadami nanganganak ang mga eksena nila because of the glamour.
No, sa simula pa lang ng conceptualization ng Can't Buy Me Love, meron talaga na nakaplata talaga kami for a sum-up ng kwento ng Snoop at ng Irene. It was formulated from the start. Kaya kung mapapansin ninyo, sa una pa lang, sino nakasalo kay Irene nung nahulog siya, kung nakidnap siya, it was Snoop because it was intended that way. So, lalago siya from the very beginning. And we're so thankful na kinagat sila ng mga manonood. Diba? Apart from, of course, the phenomenon na sina Don and sina Bingo sa Castanelli. So, we're so thankful for the support that they got as well from the viewers.
Direct May?
Well, actually, no casting. Nagka-casting kami for Snoop. Nabanggit niya, sinabi, si Anthony Jennings ba available na dun from Ironheart? Because he was still with Ironheart. And then our executive producer, si Sammy, said, yeah, available na. Sabi ko, joke lang to. Sabi ko, bumatas ending sila ni Maris, haha. But that was just like a private conversation. Because I think in every show, aside from the leads na love team, there's always like a goal na meron kang mabuo na bagong love team or team up, ganyan. In every project, laging meron. So, I didn't talk to them about it. And I guess sila rin, they saw the potential of the casting and the pair-up. So, I was on leave after the first part ng show. Nung wala ako, yun na pala yung nangyayari. They were doing this, they were planning for yung launching na of their love story. So, I think it's really naghahanap talaga sila ng parang sino kaya ang pwedeng sino yung pwedeng bagong i-launch din.